How to find Duolingo promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can find Duolingo promo code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your Safari. So head over to any web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome or any other. It's completely up to you. Then what you'll need to do is simply search for Duolingo promo code. So type in Duolingo and promo code. Now, to make or to find promo codes which are, recently available, what you'll need to do is type in the year and the month that you are on. So in my case, I'll just type in July 2025. So sometimes you can also search for promo codes for a month before as well. So in that case it would be June 2025. And after doing that, here you can scroll down. There you find different websites which will give you the promo codes. So here you can see under this simply codes website, there are different codes which give you 10% off, 50% off, and many more, and also for special offers. And that's basically how you can find Duolingo promo code on your device. Now you can tap on the get code option, which will take you to this page and show you guys the code. And yeah, that's basically how you can find Duolingo promo code. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.